James. Ow! James.
What?
You're in Daddy's side of the bed. What are you doing? James.
Why I love you?
Hey?
I love you.
I love you, but what are you doing over there? Look where you are.
It's no.
Open your eyes and look where you are. James. James. You're sideways in Mummy's bed. James. Sit up. James.
A fool.
You fool. James.
I'm not had enough being told.
You've had enough being talk. James. James. Where's Daddy gonna sleep?
My room.
In your room? That's where you have to sleep. James! James? Ow, you're kicking me. James.
Someone me up.
I love you.
I have some too.
Can I have a cuddle? I'm over here.
I can't.
Why?
I know. I'm upside down.
Because you're upside down? Well, come over this way and give me a cuddle.